We had subpoenaed the officer because the video had not been provided, and I was told that it could take up to 9 months. The last time we were here, you asked us to subpoena the officer to see what the status is, and the video has not been provided still. The officer is here. The state has told me that there are some, I guess, staffing issues, and that's what's causing the backlog.
But it's uploaded to a system. I mean, they upload it directly to a system as soon as they get here.
9 months for a body cam video? That's longer than most pregnancies. Here's the real kicker. Without timely evidence, cases can collapse. Audience questions: should delayed evidence automatically benefit the defense? Or is justice worth waiting for?
Right, Judge. So I can have the officer explain what the system is, but basically the way it works out, he's here, ready to tell you about it. But what happens is they have their body cam, they record the traffic stop, right? Once they go back to JPC or wherever they go to dock their body cam, they remove it from their plate, they dock it. That dock takes the video file from their body cam and puts it on the dock.
Okay.
The officer then removes the body cam from the dock and places it back on the plate. Once it's on that dock, the officer doesn't have accessibility to that body cam. There's somebody whose position it is in HPD to upload that body cam to ELC, which provides it to the state, and then we can share it to defense.
Okay.
The people that had those positions were recently either fired or left. So now they're hiring and training new people, onboarding them to upload HPD body cam. But the number they gave us specifically was 9 months for the backlog. I know that's obviously unacceptable. I know.
9 months is way too long. It's unacceptable. Justice delayed, justice denied. And I mean, we set cases for trial at 180 days. So I don't know what to tell you. I mean, if you we got to have a compliance hearing at some point, and if you can't get it, then you can't get it. We just go forward without it.
And Judge, I did offer chief approved PTI today, and they were asking about informal PTI. I think what's going to happen at this point is defense is going to email Beadle, tell him about the situation, what the possibilities are, to see what the eligibility is for informal.
I'm down.
I mean, the only thing I would ask, Judge, is at this point, would you be inclined to set it for trial and just to kind of push them to, because I don't.
Sure, of course. Tony, whatever you want, you can have it.
I just don't want to be sitting around waiting for a video.
Just the only thing is I got to be fair to them too. Sure. So I got to give them the 30 days so that they can do their diligence, get subpoenas on file and do what they need to do. And then that's it. Right. If they don't have it, they don't have it. And in the interim, if there's something else, like they were to
miraculously come up with a video.
I don't know. Whatever you want.
Sure.
I will tell you this, that the next trial setting that we have is January 7th. Okay. Because of the holiday, no juries after it's 12th, 13th, or maybe of December. We don't have any more juries. So that's why it will bump you up into January. But so it's up to you. But the next trial.
I'll talk to them and see if there's, if there's something we can work out. If not, then I'll just let their coordinator know, I guess. Or
that's going to be a nightmare for so many other cases now. I can't. I mean, there's got to be a quicker way than 9 months to.
Apparently, that's the onboarding process to teach them how to properly share it. I don't know how it could take that long, but
plug in this here, push a button, download. I mean, we're splitting the ad. Okay, I know. Just bitching and moaning. Just bitching and moaning.
That's all I have, Your
Thanks, Michael. Thank you, Tony. Of course. Hey, guys, coming up.
Fleischer, sir, Tran, and Lofty.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
All you guys you speak English?
Yes, I do. Not very well.
Okay. If you don't understand something, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
There's a translator outside for Mr. Tran. I didn't know that Chisholm was going to be on Zoom, but he's outside.
Is it?
I don't know if it's a certified translator, but someone is here to translate for Mr. Tran.
Is it a court translator, or is it just one of his homeboys?
Quiet down the courtroom.
They want to speak with Chisholm, his wife, and the translator. So I don't know how far.
Yeah, I don't know how down I am with that. Yeah. Okay. So let's just try to go. I can always try to get is Vietnamese.
Yes, I am.
I can always try to get a Vietnamese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, you are wanted from another state. you want to get a bond set on all of them, Ms. Chisholm?
No, Judge, Mr. Fisher and Mr. Tran wanted to get a bond set. I believe Mr. Lofton does have a local case, but he wanted to understand clearly if his local case would take precedence over the warrant that he's got out. So I believe he's got a hearing set for December 9th. Is it a felony, Mr. Lofton?
He's charged with 2 counts of possession of a controlled substance here. It looks like they're both less than a gram cases. And he has the open fugitive case. It looks like you were wanted.
He's wanted out of East Baton Rouge Parish for monetary instrument abuse, theft, and bank fraud. He has a $5,000 bond split between the state jail PCS. Next in is 12-9. They override the fugitive case right now, so they'll be trying to be locals. He's already waiting on November 19th.
Okay, so essentially what happens, because
Quick breakdown: extradition clocks don't start ticking until your local charges are cleared or you make bond. Translation: you're stuck in limbo until you pay up or resolve home turf cases. What would you do? Bond out fast or wait it out?
you have not made bond on those cases upstairs in the felony cases, you usually give whatever jurisdiction wants you 14 days to come get you. But you can't have any holds. You have a hold, and the hold is the fact that you've not made bond on those felony cases. So because of that, the 14 days is told, meaning it's kind of put on hold until you either take care of those cases upstairs or you make bond on it. So if you talk to family members and have them pony up the $5,000 to get you on bond on both felony cases, at that point, that's when the 14 days starts running. And I'll tell you, you're wanted out of Louisiana. So we have so many buses coming in and out of Louisiana that once you do actually make bond, you'll probably be on your way to Louisiana within the next 2 to 3 days. You got to make bond. So I don't know, if you can talk to Chisholm, perhaps you can help reach out to family members to see if you have someone that can kind of, post those bonds for you.
And Judge, he does say that he's got court on the 9th of December and he anticipates it'll get resolved on that day. So, but that's what he anticipates. But
Mr. Tran.
Yes, sir.
You were wanted out of Arizona for money laundering. What do you say on Mr. Tran?
I'm not opposed to a bond, but I would be opposed to a low bond. The warrant's been issued since 2018. His only history is a POM. And so, I'm not against one being set, but I want to make sure that there are assurances that he is able to secure transport back to Arizona and to take care of the warrant. I think that's part of why his wife and the interpreter are here. And so if he's able
that shows he's got some support. So that's good.
The fact that the warrant's been open for 6 years is obviously a concern. But other than that.
Well, I guess let's do this. If you're unopposed, see what you guys can come up with as far as the bond amount, and then I'm game.
Yes, sir.
And the last gentleman?
Mr. Fisher, Your Honor.
Mr. Fisher, I would be opposed to a bond. He's wanted for burglary out of Orange County. However, he had a prior fugitive just case 3 months ago out of Tennessee. It's not out of this warrant from Florida, and I can't nail it down yet. I haven't reached out to Tennessee to figure out what that arrest was. But the fact that he was wanted as a fugitive just 3 months prior.
We didn't give him a bond though, did we?
I'm sorry?
Did we give him a bond? No.
No, this is a first setting judge, but
No. On the prior fugitive case.
No, that was.
Oh, in another state.
Right, he was arrested in Tennessee for an unknown warrant. I don't know where the originating agency is, but he has a local theft. He did make bond for $20,000. It's a felony, a third-degree felony, but he has a considerable amount of history, which is why I'm opposed. In addition to what you see on your screen for locals, well. If you want me to go down the list, I will, but he has 15 pages of criminal history in 3 different states. To say nothing of the fact that he's had an aggravated robbery in his history as well. So I would be opposed to.
I'm curious. Go, man.
Okay,
This is you.
Other than the Tennessee, he's wanted for third degree or burglary in Oklahoma, conspiracy to commit a felony. He's wanted for I'm knowing this way false, but yeah, I don't care. He's wanted for
You're singing it, Dave. Come on,
Trying to
sing it.
scroll. Oh, I guess that's what I was thinking, is a fugitive case out of Tennessee. And then the other one being in Oklahoma, and all the robbery, the felon possession of weapon, and the fact that he had prior ag rod, evading in a motor vehicle. So he's the definition of a flight risk. He literally fled from the police in a vehicle. And so because of all those reasons, I would be opposed to a bond.
Your Honor, he does have family here, in Harris County. That's mostly why he is here in Harris County. He's not trying to, essentially run from this warrant. He wants to go take care of it, and he would like to take care of it. He wants to take care of it next Monday. That way he can spend Thanksgiving with his family. And so we would request a bond at this time.
You have 13 pages of criminal history. You've picked up a felony theft of $30,000 to $150,000, and you want me to set you a bond? Really? No. You have a prior fugitive case. I don't know what happened with that, but I would bet that if I give you a bond now, you might pick up a new case, might take flight. I don't want that to happen. The good news is that you've made bond on this case, so the 14 days will start running, as opposed to what happened with the gentleman here, where it's kind of in a standstill. So it's Florida, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so Florida has 14 days to come get you. And if they don't, and I'm going to tell you now, I don't give multiple bonds on fugitive cases. You get one shot. You already have had a prior fugitive case. So you know what you got to do. And when you don't, there's serious consequences. What? Tell me, Mr. Fisher, what? I mean,
The case that he's talking about from Tennessee, I was pulled over and they took me to jail in Tennessee. I had a warrant from Harris County. I got extradited here and I bonded out here. I never caught a case in Tennessee. They just held me and extradited me back to Harris County. But I didn't run from it. I'm handling it right now. I check in my bonds, everything. I'm not running. Even the case dealing with Florida.
don't run. Stop. Just take care of it once and for all.
Sir.
Straighten up and fly right. It's not hard. Get a job. You got kids?
Yes, sir.
How many kids you got?
2.
Come on. While you're out here, who's taking care of those kids? Probably someone you don't want.
See, that's like the Florida situation. It's old. Like it's nothing new that I picked up. It's old. Like in my past, just catching up with me. I wasn't like, it's not on my mind to run it out. Like I really want to handle the Florida situation.
Boom judge just dropped the hammer. Miss a holiday now, or risk losing your future later. Classic tough love courtroom moment. Audience, do you think judges should play motivator like this, or stick strictly to the law?
I just don't want to miss a holiday with my family, but I will handle the Florida situation.
Concern is you getting back to Florida, taking care of it once and for all. I understand you may miss a holiday, but man up, go back, get it done, and live your life the right way. Okay. So let's do this. Has Fisher already waived or no?
Yes, Judge. I believe all 3 of them have waived, except for Mr. Tran. Mr.
So
Tran, did you
I'm
sign a waiver?
willing to do a bond with you guys on Tran. If you guys can come up to the mount, I'm happy. And then with the other 2 gentlemen, we'll just wait and see. Okay.
I'll email you just on Tran.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. And I
Thank
did
you,
have
Mr.
one more, but I'll come back on it.
Take your time.